Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce CRM Analytics video session 278. So basically in today's video, we will actually try to cover the previous scenario. We already covered, an account having more than three opportunities, how we do that with the help of semi-join. We will just verify that with the help of SOQL as well as, we can verify that result by using the Cogroup functions. Okay. And other than that, we will actually also cover how we can fetch account having opportunities more than 10,000. Okay, whose amount is more than 10,000. Right. So let's get started. Let me move to my Analytics Studio. So this was the lens which I had covered in the previous section. Okay. Now, if you see over here, what is the count I'm getting? I'm getting nine. So I have nine such account whose opportunity, who are having more than three opportunity records, okay? Related opportunity records. Now let's quickly verify this via SOQL, right? So I will open my data export and here, yeah, let me write select ID comma name, select ID comma name from opportunity, right? It has to be from opportunity. Okay, I don't need ID name. What I need is basically I need the count. So what I will do is I will write count of ID, okay, count of ID and account ID, okay, from opportunity. What I will do is I will group by account ID, fine, where count of ID is more than three. Okay, I think I have written it properly, but let's see while executing what kind of error I get. I kind of make some errors in SOQL, which is expected. Okay, let's see what's written. Opportunity group by. Okay, select count of ID, account ID from opportunity. Group by. I think this seems fine. Okay, let's take the unscripted token where count of ID more than three. Let me just check up till here if it's fine or not. Okay. Okay, I think here it is fine. I think some okay. After group by it has to be having. Yeah, just now I recalled it has to be having. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's see why. Great. And what I will do is I will exclude the one which is not having account ID. So let me write and account ID not equal to null. Okay. I have written minus account ID not equal to. This is not working, it seems. Okay, great. So I got nine records, okay, which is matching as well, because here also I have nine such records, right? So via SOQL, we see it's coming correctly. And as I mentioned, you can do this whole exercise with the help of Cogroup as well. So again, it's the same thing. What I will do is basically, I will open this account dashboard dataset and opportunity dashboard dataset. So I have the account dashboard dataset. Let me add the opportunity dashboard dataset as well. Okay, and let me go to the SAQL. What I will do is I will take the help of that co-group which I built previously. Okay, so let me take the help of this co-group. I will make certain changes only, right? Otherwise, if you see the code will be same. Okay, so an issue over there. So here, what I will do is I will just copy this whole thing and I will paste it over here. And I will just do the requisite modification. So maybe I can take the help of this only. And let me just copy this whole part over here. Okay, I think that is fine. And yeah, I think I have everything else. Let me just run this query. Okay, great. Fine. Maybe we can check the count. So maybe what I can do is I can just uncomment this line as of now, just to get that complete count at once. Okay, instead of me checking manually the record. Yeah, I think it's coming nine. So this query also seems fine for me, right? So that is all. I was just, so I mean nothing else is just that similar to Cogroup. I just mapped that kind of filters which we had to put just to ensure we get more than three uh, opportunity records, right? And here also, if you see, that is completely fine. So not an issue over there. Okay, what I will do is I will open my BI dev. So let me just check if I have the BI dev. Okay, I have the BI dev, which is the SAQL guide. So let me open that. Fine. Great. Here is my SAQL guide. So this part being done, let me just save it very quickly. What I will write is I will write this same title, but I will just write the word append over, sorry, Cogroup over there, right? So I will just write, okay, I will save it in my SAQL app. So yeah, that is all about this one. And yeah, now the reason I opened this is because here we have another example related to uh, account, getting those account records whose opportunity amount is more than 10,000. Fine. So let's just quickly check where is this. Yeah, this one. So we will do this one as well right now. Okay. So we need to find accounts with opportunities amount more than 10K. So let's try that out. So I will just open this data set. I will add the opportunity data set here. That is completely fine. We'll go to my SAQL mode. And the code will be similar to this. It's just that I have to make certain minute changes. So let me just write this whole thing down. And here, because I just need the amount more than 10K, what I will write is, I think I don't need all these things. Okay. And I can just directly write over here amount. I'm not sure if I have the amount field. Let me just check that part. Okay, my amount field is there, which is great. So here amount more than 10,000, right? I think everything else seems fine for me. So let me just run the query. Great. So I have all this list. So I have total of 497 account records containing opportunity records whose amount is more than 10K. I think if you see this particular query as well, I think that's the way they have written, right? So not an issue over there. That's the same way I implemented as well, which is making sense to me. We can quickly verify with the help of SOQL as well. So here, what I will write is, now I will do the query on account level. Okay. So let me write select ID from account. Maybe I can write the name also. Select ID from a name from account where ID in, and here let me write select ID. Yes, select account ID, I guess. Yeah, select account ID from opportunity where amount more than 10,000. Okay. I think this is the SOQL query. Let me check if I made any mistake. Because I am definitely going to make mistakes. Let's see. It's loading. Okay, great. You can see here it's showing me 497 records. So this query helps me to get all those account IDs, like of course I'm doing on the account object, where, but I'm writing the condition as that, hey, ensure that this ID matches with that from opportunities account ID whose amount is more than 10,000. So basically this gives me the list of all those accounts whose related opportunity records are having their amount more than 10,000, right? So I got 497, which is matching with this as well. Okay, so that's great. So maybe I can just write Save this lens as account records. Okay. Having opportunity amount more than 10,000. Okay. I can save it in my SAQL app, and that's it. So this part is done. Now what I'm going to do is, again, I will just do the Cogroup part very quickly. So again, I will just copy paste it from the other one, but let me just add the data set very quickly. Let me move to SAQL. This is the Cogroup functions. Okay, let me just copy this whole part and paste it over here. Up till here, it is fine. Now what I'm going to do is, I will just put this filter, nothing else. It's just that I have to replace that filter with this, right? And I think rest of the things are fine. You don't see any issue. Okay, great. Maybe I can just check the count very quickly. So maybe let me just uncomment this line. Wow, that's great. So it's showing me 497. Uh, so I think I can just run this query once again and maybe save it. I can just copy this whole thing from here and kind of save it as. Here, of course, you just need to arrange the chart format properly. So always you can go for compare table, and you can just ensure that you show this one. It's fine. So group by that is fine. So again, you can save this, and we can save it in our SAQL app. And similarly for the other one also, like once I save it in SAQL mode, somehow it will show no result because it automatically redirects to chart mode. Okay, so maybe what I can do is I can run the query. And immediately I can go to config table and just show those columns. I think now it's fine. Maybe I can just save it. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that is all about this semi-group. I think with this video, we conclude the concept of semi-group. So we covered all these scenarios. So for example, with the help of semi-group, how we can find those accounts which are having at least one opportunity. How we can find the accounts which are having more than 10 opportunities. Like in my case, I took more than 3 opportunities, of course. How we can find accounts with opportunity amount more than 10K. So we did all those things with the help of semi-join, right? And also we understood like how we can simultaneously replicate that with the help of Cogroup as well, because everything is replicable with the help of Cogroup. The only thing being, again, here also I need to change it to compare table and show these IDs by the way. Okay. But at the end of the day, of course, you have to utilize the first function when you're using Cogroup, because it kinds of puts in a bag. I think I already explained that concept. But yeah, when it comes to the semi group, you just have to write that particular field name. So we understood the definition. It returns the rows from one data stream, one or more matching rows are found in the second data stream. Each match row is returned one time. The row data type must match for the specified data streams, and we walk through the examples. Okay. So that's it about this. And yeah, let's continue in the next video and know about NP join. Thank you.